This position is media, where you import your materials, that is your video, your picture, and your audio sound. This position is timeline. Timeline is your video editing area, the art of your video editing process, where you assemble and edit everything. So anything you are working on will be on this position. So the first step is for you to import your materials. Then if you want to start editing, you bring it to this timeline area. Then this position is for you to preview, just like your TV. So anything you are working on this position, you get to observe them here. Anything you import from here and you want to preview it, you also get to access that from this area. This is the toolbar. So from here you get to select split, select forward, select rightward, undo, delete, and so on and so forth. So if you import materials from this place, you get it from this. You take it to the timeline, you can split it from here. So if I import any materials now, I'm going to have access to other details here. Next time we'll continue by importing materials and working on them for us to be able to have access to this media position, preview, access this timeline, and other splitting and materials you need to access from this position.